Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for home improvement and DIY business on Wix, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you to build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first enter the site, the website. Now create new site. Here search for your business or website type. So for example this. Now click next. Now wait a few seconds to prepare in this dashboard. Design your website here. So here, how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, and if you want customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's easy, it's more easier. So now wait a few seconds. Now enter your information here, your email, your address, and your phone. Here if you want to add the social link, and here add the logo. So let's move on. Here pick a theme you like, pick any theme here you want. So for example this. Now pick your favorite homepage design and click next. Now let's move on to the next. Here if you want to add pages to your site, I'll wait a few seconds. Now here if you want to go to editor, if you want to edit more your website, and this is the settings of the website. Here if you want to add elements and the text, if you want to edit the themed text here, the title and the paragraphs. So this is the shape or the size, if you want to edit the shape or the size of the writing. So let's move on to the image section. Here if you want to search for image, also here you can show more image. So let's move on to the button here, the themed button, text and icon button, and the icon buttons here, the image buttons, document buttons, and the iTunes buttons. And this is the pay buttons and PayPal buttons. So let's move on to the strip. Here if you want to edit your strip settings, classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, and testimonials, and theme. So let's move on to the decorative. This is the themed lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, horizontal lines, the vertical lines, the vector art here, the featured, the icons and the animal and nature, logos and badges, the characters. So here is the video settings, video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So let's move on to the box. The box here, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. So the gallery also here, the pro galleries, the grid galleries, the slider galleries, and here if you want to show more galleries here. So let's move on to the menu and anchor, the themed menus, the horizontal menus, and the vertical menus. There is in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu, the search, the site search, the contact and forms, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, application forms, and the feedback forms, request forms, and the waiver forms, the subscribe forms, the Google Maps, the maps, and the forwards maps, the chat, the Wix chat, the line, and the video and the music. Here is the video settings, the Wix video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. This is the music section, the audio players, Wix Music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, iTunes player. Here the interactive, the slideshows, the full width slideshows, the box slideshows. Here if you want to light boxes, welcome, subscribe, promotion and contact. The boxes here, the over boxes and the tabs, the over pictures, and the list. Here if you want to edit the list, the over pictures, and the blank pictures, pictures. The embed code. This is the embed code, the popular embed. The video here, the single video players, audio, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes player. So let's move on to the social media bar. Here if you want to edit your social bar, Facebook and Twitter, Pinterest and VK and lines, line. Here the YouTube. If you want to edit YouTube section here, the payments also here. If you want to edit the payments section, the CMS, easily manage your site content here, the blog and the store, the bookings, the events and the community, and here your designs. So here if you want to add a section, just select any section here you want: about, gym and contact, promotion, services, subscribe and testimonials, and clients, store, bookings and events, basic and text and list. Here if you want to add page and menu, you can add any page you want. So let's move on to the site design. The site design here, if you want to edit the color theme, the text theme, and the page background, the page transitions. Here if you want to add more apps, say search for apps here. So let's move on to the business. Here if you want to manage your business, let's move on to the media. Here the media, you can also upload your media here if you want to ask for anything, or if you want to looking for anything you want. The same as also here, the easily manage your site contents, and the marketing and CEO here. So let's close this. Here if you want to move your sections up or down here, here you can design as you like. You can also do a quick edit. You can explore section layout, and here if you want more actions, if you want to delete or duplicate or copy or cut your section. So that's it. So after you're done from editing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.